Alright, it's time for some spicy tuna. We're gonna start with Hawaiian Ono seasoning salt, or just salt. Alright, our next ingredient is the Kewpie mayo, and then the sriracha sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it in the bowl, and I'm just gonna use whatever's left over there too. Just kind of spicing things up. So I got a little bit of salt on there, and it's just kind of melting right now, so I'll mix it up. All right, I put that leftover the wasabi and soy sauce, and then we're gonna add a little sriracha sauce here to spice it up. And it's just Hawaiian seasoning and some Kewpie here. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. There we go. Oh, and I'm supposed to get sesame oil. A little bit more, because I just got a little bit. And I gotta get some sesame oil, so I'll be right back. All right, so I added a little black sesame oil, and that's pretty much it. Just mix it up. Let the salt dissolve. You can add a little wasabi just for some kick. And that's it. Let me just... All right, there we go. Mix it up. Looks kind of like hamburger. See there? Let's try it out. It's got kind of a little bit of gristle in there, but we gotta get your seaweed right. And let's just get some like that. Let's try that out. Oh boy. Yike. Ooh, how's that look? Looks pretty tasty, huh? Wow, it is tasty. Wow. Maybe I should get fresh sesame oil because it's been sitting around, but the oil goes bad, maybe. I wouldn't have to put more wasabi. Oh, this tuna is incredible. It is really incredible. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. There we go. Get with you right. Oh. Oh yeah. That was good. It was good. You'd like it too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Oh, and eating tuna is high in mercury, so I wouldn't eat this every day. I think just once a week, maybe, at best. So, anyways, but it is so worth it. It's fresh caught bluefin tuna, over 100 pounder. Oh, it's delicious. Almost done. Again, don't eat tuna. It's high in mercury, but it is so delicious. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.